introduce our AI-powered robotic machine vision inspection system that's ready to plug and play at your factory from day one. We've trained our AI model using a large set of images to recognize common defects that occur during manufacturing. So right out of the box, our system can detect issues like surface defects, missing features, cracks, or internal burrs without the need for any manual programming or model training at your end. The system includes a 6-axis robotic arm, a rotary table, and a custom-designed fixture that holds your components in place. Mounted on the robot's end effector is a camera with lighting, which moves smoothly around the part to take images from all necessary angles. Operating it is really simple. Your operator just needs to place the part on the fixture and press the cycle start button. The robot takes care of the rest. It moves precisely around the part based on the robot program recipe, captures high-quality images, and sends them to the AI engine for analysis. One unique feature is our boroscope arrangement built into the camera head. This lets us inspect internal areas like small holes and deep crevices, places that are usually difficult to check manually. Once the inspection is complete, the system automatically logs the data and gives you the results in whichever format you prefer: PDF, Excel, or even integrated into your quality management system. If a defect is found, the system immediately alerts the user and highlights the defect on the part image, making traceability and rework much easier. We truly believe this system can make a big difference in your inspection process, saving time, improving accuracy, and reducing rework. If you're interested in exploring how this can be implemented at your facility, feel free to reach out to us.